close to Thanksgiving. I hope you are getting excited. The month is November. Yesterday was November 18th. If yesterday was the 18th, then today is the 19th. So let's fill in our date 11, 19, 20, November 19, 2020. Today is Thursday. That makes yesterday Wednesday. Wednesday, Thursday, tomorrow's Miss Lawler's favorite day is Friday. Yesterday we had been at school 41 days. If yesterday was 41 and I add one more, now we have 4 10s and 2 1s, which makes 42 days. All right, let's see what I can do. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. All right, here are your words. As, he, his, me, has, 4. All right, 65. I know 60. Plus 5 equals 65. I'm going to put it here. Ready? 65. What comes after 65? 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. Get our middle number of 87. What is 1 less? 1 less than 87 is 86. What is 1 more? 86, 87, 88. Look at your tens place. Take 1 10 away and you will have 77. 77, 87, 97. I forgot to get rid of this one. Hold on. Silly me, this is from yesterday. Whoop. I'm just all over the place today. Alright, you ready? Here's our number. 572. 572. So look at your hundreds place. Take 1 away and you'll have 472. Look at your hundreds place and add another 100 and you will have 672. All right, let's get our numbers. 567 and 54. I know that 567 is much greater than 54.